Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we turn small tips into big time savers. Today I'm going to show you a super handy trick, how to automatically highlight today's date in Google Sheets. If you work with schedules, task lists, sign-in sheets, anything that tracks dates, this will really help you keep an eye on what's current without having to manually check or update anything. By the end of this video, you'll know how to set it up to highlight not just the date itself, but even the whole row, making your sheets way easier to scan and use. So let's dive right in. First, we need to select today's date in your sheet. Now, you don't have to actually find and click on today's date here, just make sure you know where your dates are. Let's say they're all listed in column A. The reason we're focusing on this column is because that's where we'll be checking each day's value, comparing it against today's date. Next step, head up to the menu bar and click on Format. From the drop-down, choose Conditional Formatting. This is where the magic happens. Conditional formatting is a powerful feature in Google Sheets that lets you automatically change the color or style of a cell based on its contents. That way, the sheet does the watching for you. Once you're in the conditional formatting sidebar, you'll see an option labeled Apply to Range. Go ahead and put A in there. That just tells Sheets we want this rule to apply to all of column A by setting it to A. You make sure that every date in column A gets checked, no matter how many rows you have or add in the future. Now under Format Rules, you'll see a variety of options. For this example, pick Date Is, and then from the second dropdown, choose Today. This condition is where we tell Google Sheets, hey, whenever you see today's date in this column, do something special. It's like giving your spreadsheet a daily awareness. It always knows what day it is and will mark it as long as your sheet is open. Next, pick your highlight color, choose whatever pops for you. I like to go with a nice bold yellow or green so it really stands out, but feel free to select whatever helps you spot today's date easily. Once you've chosen your color, click Done. Now take a breath. This part usually happens instantly, but sometimes there's a brief lag if your sheet is really big. Don't worry if it takes a few seconds. And there it is. From now on, today's date will be automatically highlighted in your sheet. Even better, as the days change, so does the highlight. No need to go back and update anything. It's a true set-it-and-forget-it solution. But let's say you want to get a bit fancier. What if you need not just the date, but the whole row, the entire entry for today to stand out? Easy fix. Head back into your conditional formatting rule. This time, change the Apply to Range from AA to, say, AB, or however many columns make up your row. Here's the key part. In Format Rules, switch from Date Is to Custom Formula Is. In the formula box, type =A1 equals today. What this tells Google Sheets is, look at each row, and if the date in column A for that row matches today's date, highlight the whole thing. The $sign before the A locks it to column A, so no matter which cell you're looking at in that row, the rule refers back to the date in column A. Click Done, and just like that, your entire row will light up whenever it matches today's date. This is especially great if you need the day's item or task to really grab your attention. That's it. Now you're set to make your Google Sheets a whole lot more dynamic and useful. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and let me know in the comments if you have questions or need more Google Sheets tricks. And of course, subscribe for more easy, powerful tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you next time.